New hair removal gadget alert. Let's talk about hair removal. We all know it can be a struggle, right? Especially for your melon queens. Shaving, itchy stubble, waxing, ouch. That's why I'm so excited about this new gadget that I found. Found it on Amazon. Let me tell you, it's supposed to be a game changer for unwanted hair. And the best part is designed to work on all skin tone. Even though my beautiful dark skin, I'm all about trying new things, especially when I promise smooth, flawless skin. So I got my hands on this bad boy and I'm ready to spill all the tea, so stay tuned because I can't wait to unbox this thing and try it on my melon skin and let you know if it lives up to the hype, because a girl wants flawless skin. First things first, let's talk about this unboxing experience. I love when brands pay attention about detail, and let me tell you, Dermrays did not disappoint me. The box was so sleek and sophisticated. Something you would find in a high-end spa. I mean, when I opened it up, everything was neatly packed and secure. The device itself is super lightweight and just perfect. Along with the device, you get a charging cord and detailed instructions and a little bag to put the device in. But trust me, this one is actually helpful, this instructions. Overall, the unboxing experience gets a 10 out of 10 for me. All right, I charged up the Dermrays and I'm ready to do magic with this laser hair removal device. I decided to start with my lower part of my legs, but let's be real, because nobody has time to razor burns. This device has different settings for different skin tones, and that is super important. I set it to the highest level because complexion-rich skin. Just hold the device against your skin and you just press the button, just emits a little flash of skin and you move to the next area. Honestly, it's painless and it feels like a tiny, little prick.
The process is so much quicker than what I expected.
It took me less than 10 minutes to do both legs. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't see really that much results, but that's normal. Laser hair removal takes a few sessions to really see a difference. Let's talk about why this device is a game changer for melanated skin. Let's keep it real. It's not that many on the market right now that's gonna cater to my skin complexion. And now that I got my hands on one, I wanted to spill the tea. Using it is super simple. You just hold the device against your skin and just press the button and it's automatic, emits a flash of lights, and then you move it to the next area. All right, let's talk about why this device is a game changer for us melaners queens. Traditional laser skin does not work for darker skins because of high pigmentation on your skin and burn your skin. But this one uses a different type of technology that's safe and effective for all skin tones. It targets the melanin in your hair follicles without damaging the surrounding of your skin. That means no more worrying about ingrown hair, razor buns, or pain, waxing, or just spending too much money. You just could get smooth, wonderful, yes please, yes, flawless finish. My skin never looked as better. Okay, so it's been a few weeks now and it's just been so good on my skin. I have to say I'm impressed. Remember I said I didn't see that much results instantly, but well, a few sessions I've seen my skin is so smoother than ever before. It's like I have baby soft legs again. I've also been using it under my underarm and it's a game changer because I don't see no more deodorant marks or flickery stubbles. It's just nice, smooth, comfortable, confident underarms. Now I just be like, hey. This is definitely a must-have. So what's my final verdict of this wonderful device Amazon findings? It's a definitely yes for me. It's so easy to use, and it's painless, and most importantly, it actually works. So if you're tired of the struggles of the hair removal and you want smooth, flawless skin, then you need to try this device. It's a bit of an investment, but trust me, it's worth every penny. You will save so much money in the long run because waxing appointments and razors, this is a game changer for us women with beautiful colored skin. I am so happy I found a device that actually works for my skin tone. And I could apply it to unwanted hair and I could have smooth, confident skin. Queens, yes, this is the solution for my skin tone. I am so happy because I just don't want unwanted hair and now I can have smooth, confident skin. I'm loving this. All the links are down in my bio, so don't forget to check that out. You guys, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button right there if you like videos like this, because I love reviewing Amazon great items. I mean, I'm talking about clothes, makeup, electronics, wonderful things, and I even give out tips on how to grow your hair nice, long, and healthy. So I will see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to leave a comment. Bye now.
Take a page out of my story.